Hey guys, welcome back. So this is going to be our first episode of Beepers Creepers, where we travel to spooky sites, possibly haunted sites, sites with paranormal activity, and we metal detect and stay at overnight. Not all sites are going to be detectable, of course. This site, we were told about a few spooky circumstances that the family dealt with over the years and stuff like that, but nothing specifically tying to any paranormal activity directly. Jeff and I did venture out to the family cemetery late that night, but we didn't make it to the cemetery, and you'll see in the video why. Don't want to ruin it. So stay tuned, guys. What the fuck? Oh my god, excuse my language. Jeff, dude, the swing is swinging, bro. Alright guys and gals, we made it here. Got Mr. Greg French. We're gonna swing for a little bit before it gets dark. We already found the family cemetery over there. We didn't see that last time we were here. But here's all our gear. Show you guys all the gear real quick. All our amateur gear. Look at everything. Oh, we don't. What's this? We don't need that. Get out of here. I don't know how that got here, guys.
I swung over it. I'm calling a silver quarter. I don't know. We could both be wrong, but we'll see. Poop. You gotta take a poop? Oh, poop. Still in the hole.
Sounds like I might have missed it a little bit, guys.
Well, that's common.
That's the usual.
Oh, it's a little shallow, huh? It's probably just a
Smack it in the face.
Hey man, can you not scratch my silver? You moved it. You dropped it.
Glad.
Dude, it sounded so good. It was hitting like 31, 32 on my machine.
We're on the first floor here. Is there anybody in here with us? Turn on the brighter light for a second, guys. Check out this room. I haven't been in this room yet. Alright, just checking out this house. Okay guys, we're gonna go set up this downstairs with the mic on. Nice and loud, see if we catch any noises. It's almost pitch black outside, guys. It's pretty darn close to pitch black. Put it in the back porch back here. Is there anybody in here with us? Are there any spirits in this house? Alright, I think we're gonna set it up in here, guys. So, some very amateur technology. No, heat rises, I guess. We left the front door open? Did we leave the front door open? I thought we shut that thing. Let's go check on our speaker over here, guys. We're gonna do some loops through the house here. I wonder why it's flashing now. It wasn't flashing earlier. Alright, guys. We're in, like, it appears to be the dining room. Now this, I said this earlier in the live video, but I think this is one of the older parts of the house, because you can see an old window here that when they put that addition on, they just covered it up. Look at these old mouse traps, guys. That's a big old trap. I think it'll probably still spring over. Look at this old mantle. What's in that little box, Jeff? Check it. Nails. The holes in the floor, guys. Gotta be careful through here. Open it, Jeff. You think anything's in there? Open it. Open it. Open the freezer.
I'm afraid to.
It's back here, guys. It's like an old pantry. Oh, this is where Harry Potter lived, dude. This is where Harry Potter lived.
These knobs.
Look at that. That's a pretty knob, man. You're pretty good with those knobs, Jeff.
Nobody better make the comment.
I'll be trimming. Doesn't look like we're catching anything in here on our speaker. We're probably gonna move this to maybe out to the barn or something. What the fuck? Oh my god, excuse my language. Jeff, dude, the swing is swinging, bro. Dude, do you hear it, dude? Dude, there's no wind out here, bro.
No.
Look at the flaps. Look at the
shiny light over there.
dude. Look at the curtains, dude. The curtains aren't moving. Nothing's moving. How is this moving by itself? There's our trucks over there. Let's walk around the property this back way. So there's some outhouses out here, guys. I left a roll of toilet paper out there earlier, but we're gonna go check out the outhouse. I put a roll of toilet paper out there in case we needed to use the potty, but I don't think I'm going out here by myself tonight, so I'm going to check out the outhouse. Yes, come on. We're showing the viewers the whole property. Oh, we're walking to the cemetery, and then yep, it's close to midnight, guys. Now it's got to be like pushing 11:30, 11:45. What was it, Jeff? What is it now? 12:25. 12:25. Look, there's the outhouse out here. You coming, Jeff? I'm just looking for animal eyes, guys. I'm scanning. Look at this old outhouse, guys. It has 4 seats. You come out here with the whole family.
Everybody dropping it.
Yeah, it's like at the mall. You know, they got the family restrooms at the mall. This was the older version of those. You ready, guys? I hope nothing's in here besides my toilet paper. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's pretty creepy. I'm not even gonna ask if there's any spirits in here, because if they are, they're not in a good mood. All right, we're gonna cut back here, guys. We're gonna go start heading to the cemetery. Some barbed wire. All right, so this part of the video is going to be very, very dark. I tried to adjust the brightness as much as I could so you guys can see this off in the distance, but it didn't work out. Nonetheless, we were pretty scared, and obviously we didn't make it to the cemetery. Can't zoom in with this, but there's 2 eyes over there, and they look like they're uniform as hell, bro. That one on the right looks... Oh, dude, they're moving too, dude. You see the head moving? The one on the right's moving, bro. Let's go. Come on. Let's keep an eye on them. Hell no. There's another one over here. You see it? Guys, I don't know if you can see it on the camera. I'm gonna have to zoom in, but there's no houses back there. There's no nothing. Jeff, come on, dude. All right, guys. Well, we're not gonna go to the cemetery because we just ran into a pack of about 6 coyotes that were like, they were standing us down, or however you call it. I saw a pair of eyes. Way back. Yeah, we were walking, and all of a sudden we saw 2 sets of eyes, and it turned into like a good 8 eyes, a good 4 different dogs at one point we saw. Jeff threw a rock, and then we heard him run, and all the eyes disappeared. Man, that was freaky, bro. Alright, guys, so according to a lot of paranormal people, I guess is the word. It's probably not the right wording, but 3 a.m. is the creepiest time of night to look for possible paranormal activity. So it's about, what is it, like 3:08, Jeff, you said? So it's around 3 o'clock in the morning here, guys, and we're going to walk through the house a few more times. See we get any activity. It's a pretty cool property. The Robinson family. Man, it is creepy looking out those back windows like this. So yeah, as you guys saw a couple hours ago, we were going to go to the cemetery. And no joke, you probably won't be able to hear it or see it on the camera, but we ran into a pack of coyotes out there. I mean, Jeff's a country boy.
Kind of creepy.
Yeah, if he's
clapped at them first, and they wouldn't budge. They stared us down.
First he was clapping, they didn't move at all. The eyes, and as soon as he threw like a handful of gravel out there at the woods towards them, all 5 of them took off and ran. Pretty freaky. So yeah, we didn't go to the cemetery because that's the direction they ran, was right back towards the cemetery, and we had a good half mile more to walk down that road. So plus slight lack of activity in the house tonight. Man, these finds are creepy. Yeah, but hey, it's our first investigation, and we did metal detect too. We found a mercury dime and a few other odds and ends. Greg French found a couple old musket balls, but either it's been dug before or turned, or that was pretty much it. But we'll come back out and try again. We're gonna go eat a snack, and then we're probably gonna film a few more times before we head out of here, right before morning. Jeff can't seem to walk right.
I'm looking up.
Recording you, but oh, bro, look at this. Is that just open work rafters in there? Looks like another room, don't it? There's a floor in there.
What?
Look back to hey. Oh. Shh. His birthday. Old fireplace. This is kind of our home base for the night. We got our heater. Let's take a peek outside, guys. Might go take one more walk out to the barn and separate. You think we should separate, Jeff?
No, I'm good.
No, I'm good. Wanna stay together?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, that's fine. Alright guys, we're gonna cut back here in a few hours. Or if we get any activity.
Alright guys, it's almost 5 a.m. We are packing up and heading out. Pretty interesting night. Nothing too crazy. We did hear a couple sounds. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed overall.
Pantry. Oh, this is where Harry Potter lived, dude. What the fuck? Oh my god, excuse my language. Jeff, dude, the swing is swinging, bro. Knob, man. You're pretty good with those knobs, Jeff.
Nobody better make the comment.